Silver today traded with moderate bearishness. We have seen it again taking the support from 29.50 levels here. I have mentioned earlier in the day why 29.50 should be a good support. And now crude oil is one beauty. See 69.3 levels. How many times I have mentioned 69.3, 69.6, my favorite, and on the upside 70.4, 70.6. These are the two levels which we have to watch out for. Right now the price is precisely oscillating or trading in between the zone, while it is natural gas which has bounced back beautifully and it is now seen 3.4 levels. So what to expect today from silver, crude oil and net gas? In this one update we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into silver, followed with crude oil and then in the end net gas. Watch till. See silver, what's happening here? There is definitely a wall here at 29.80 now. In 29.80 it has breached today, it has moved towards 29.90. On the downside the support levels are equally important at 29.50, 40. These two levels are definitely I will be watchful of. And if you look at the movement in silver for the last few trading session, rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement, it is struggling in this zone. If you exclude these highs, you will find there is slightly higher lows, higher highs, and below this 29.40 levels is where you can say the bears will be taking over, else silver is trading in a very narrow, very bearish. Moving averages on the hourly charts have converged. It is not yet crossed over. Stochastic trying to recover. The MACD is still bearish. It is trading with divergence. RSI has dropped here. On the 2 hour, the observation is more or less same. Look at the symmetry here. I can see identical formation here. It is staying in the zone. As long as 29.40 is not taken, I will be careful here with the sells, and then 29.20. If these two levels are taken, we are looking forward to a greater dip. Right now, I can see a bit of a struggle here on the downside for from silver. Moving average is starting to converge, not yet crossed over. Stochastic at bottom here, while the MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness, and the RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 3 on the 3 hour charts, look at the preceding three candles with the top flat top, greater resistance, reversal here, and now it is trying to find the support here from 29.50-40 zone. This should be extremely critical here. While on the upside now 29.80, I will recommend you to buy, because see, once silver trades about 29.80 today, you can look forward to a greater rise. Right now I can see a bit of a struggle here on the downside, and on the upside definitely there is a lot much of a struggle. Moving averages, MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is a bearish cross on the 3 hour charts. RSI has dropped. On the 4 hour, similar observations, see increasing body size. I will definitely watch out till here, till 29.40. And on the upside, now see previously it was 29.80, now till 30 you have to be cautious. It is creating higher highs. Important point to note here is the 50 period moving average giving it a resistance, and the next one is the narrowing Bollinger Band. So the now the whatever move it is going to be showing, it is going to be outside Bollinger Bands and it is going to be stronger as well. Stochastic has dropped, MACD converged, RSI has dropped. Coming to daily, and likewise on the daily chart. So what has happened? See, after hitting the highs here, it is trying to move towards the lows. I'll wait for it to trade now below 29.40. As long as it stays above 29.40, I'll be very cautious here with the sells. Yes, it can bounce back hitting higher lows. It can bounce back up again. It can turn green. It can move, in fact, towards 30, 20, 30, 50 levels here. But right now, the stance is not so strongly bullish. It is still trading with a moderate bearish bias. The stochastic at the top, the MACD is bearish, the RSI is flat at bottom. Considering this, a selling entry at 29.40 and buying at 29.80. If you see it staying below 29.40, be careful for 29.20 and 29. And then if it breaks below 29, stay short for 28.75 and 28.40-50 levels, the next target levels. I think it is going to be difficult for silver to trade with such a strong bearish bias here. While on the upside, I will recommend a buying entry here at 29.80 levels. Beyond this, you can expect more bullishness towards 30, and then 30-20, 30-40-50 levels should appear very soon. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to crude oil. See what crude oil has done. It has found its support. Now see the levels here. How many times I have told you 69.3, 69.6 is a zone which you should watch out for. Despite all the bearishness, it has found its support intact at 69.3, 69.6 zone, and now trying to bounce back, and it has come down towards the next milestone, the next resistance zone. If you now see it is staying above 70.4, 70.6, that is the point of time you can stay with the buys in the crude oil. See, moving averages are also now looking upwards, starting to turn bullish. Also notice this, it is trading now in this channel, hitting the lows. It is now aiming towards the highs, and we also know that any move beyond 71 is a clear sign of a breakout on the upside. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI at peak here. Coming to 2 hour, look at the 2 hour charts consolidating here at the bottom, trying to bounce back. I'll wait for it to break out here on the upside. And once it stays beyond 70.4, 70.6, then only you should treat this as bullish. Also notice moving averages are still divergent. These have converged but not yet crossed over, and it has found a very good support from 69.3, 69.6 zone. Stochastic at top, the MACD trying to converge. It is waiting for a crossover here, and the RSI is showing a bullishness here. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation, increasing bullishness after consolidation. Divide this into two. You can find out symmetry here. And now I will wait for it to break the critical milestone, critical resistance in between 70.4, 70.6, and then 71. Any move beyond 71, just close your eyes, stay bullish in crude oil. If it's tomorrow, today, or if it's in the next week, beyond 71, stay bullish. Stochastic rising, MACD convergent, RSI also trying to show signs of bullishness. Now coming to 4 hour charts, this is very, very important here. Look at the 4 hour charts, the drop here, higher lows here, and increasing body size. Now let it break here on the upside. And any move beyond 70.4, 70.6 should be a good sign. But right now I can say, see, this is a megaphone pattern, 4 bullish candles. It can in fact show a reversal here. So at this point you have to be extremely cautious. However, I will recommend not to sell or not to short as long as it stays above 69.3. Indicators are starting to look upwards here. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, the support from the 2050 and median is very, very important. With the support, it is trying to bounce back. And yes, higher lows, higher highs. Wait for it to break out here. Any move beyond 71. Clear signs of bullishness here. Right now, I can see a bit of a struggle here on the upside as well from crude oil. Indicators are trading moderately flat here. So looking at this, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, first thing is where to buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 70.25, expect 70.5, 70.6. And if that is, wait for 71. Any move beyond 71, clear signs of bullishness here. 71.5, 72.4, 74.5, 75 is the target in the near future. Very, very important. A breakout here is a sign that probably it may open bullish in the next trading session itself. This is my expectation. Not necessarily that's gonna happen, but my expectation that if it closes on the upwards today towards 70.6, 71 zone, we can look forward to bullishness in the coming week. On the downside, a selling entry is only at 69.6 levels, where you can expect 69.3, 69.4 as the first target. Below that, stay short for 68.8, 69 the next, and then 68.4. Any drop below 68.4, that is the point of time you can say oil has turned bearish. Trade accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. After the retracement, it has posted a very, very good recovery. It has found a very good support here at 3.25 levels and has now reversed. Now I'll be waiting for it to now trade beyond 3.45 levels. The next milestone, 3.45, 3.5 is the critical milestone for net gas to break past by. If because see what did we discuss yesterday or today morning? Drop retracement, drop retracement. It is still in the zone here, and now 3.45, 3.5 are the levels it needs to break in order to turn bullish. Indicators have see moving averages have started to converge for a bullish crossover. The stochastic has dropped with this just couple of red candles, while the MACD and RSI both are showing a good rise. The same is the observation on the 2 hour chart. See, it is crossed over for sell side, and it is after retracement now trying to drop again. I will definitely watch out how it behaves at around 3.42 and 3.45. If these two levels are taken, 3.5 is the next target. Beyond that, sky is the limit on the upside. Notice on the 2 hour charts, rise, flag formation, and a breakout here should definitely give you a stronger move. Stochastic overbought here, and when you look at the indicators on the 2 hour charts, you'll find that the MACD has crossed over here at the bottom and it is looking upwards, which is a good sign for the bulls. RSI is rising as well. On the 3 hour, similar is the observation. The moving averages have started to converge. It is trying to bounce back. I will wait for it to move beyond 3.42 and 3.45 levels, and then specifically beyond 3.5. The sky is the limit. Yes, it is forming a nice flag. Once it comes out of this flag, it is going to deliver a massive rally. Possibility exists that if it closes at the top, the coming first trading session next week might open with a gap up. Moving averages are convergent here. On the 4 hour charts, also similar observation. Remember, first bullish candle, symmetry here, pullback and now trying to bounce back. This can deliver similar size of candle, taking it till towards 3.4 at 3.5 zone. Possibility is very, very high. Yes, the indicators have started to look upward. Signs are slightly bullish here. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, what has happened? Prices have come down, and what we had seen here, see, it is this time taking the support here from the 2050. It is bouncing back. I have already mentioned several times. See, the bigger the rise, bigger the retracement. It can retrace towards the flows at 3 and 3 2.94, but this time it is reversing from the median support as well. So this is again a very good sign for the bulls here. And now if you see it is staying above 3.4 to 3.45, stay bullish, and any move beyond 3.5 is a clear sign of 3.6, 3.64, 3.8 zone very, very soon. While on the downside today, I do not see such a strong bearishness, but yes, it is possible that if it tests now below 3.36, 3.35 zone, we can look forward to slight bearishness. So considering this, what I will recommend is sell at 3.35 today, expect 3.3 as the first target, 3.26, 3.25 as the next. If it drops below 3.2625, stay short. That is the time you can say now net gas is about to crash more. We can look forward to 3.2, 1, 2, and then $3 levels as the next target. Chances for such a strong drop appears to be less. While on the upside, you can buy here at 3.4 to expect 3.45 and then beyond at 3.4 at 3.5 levels. If 3.5 is taken, stay bullish here. We are ready for another round of rally in the coming week where we are looking at 3.64, 3.8 zone very, very, very soon. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend, friends. This is the last weekend for this year 2024. I hope you enjoyed the journey so far. Let me wish you a very happy new year to you and your family in advance. Thank you.